Bet you guys thought I was Dee Dee's Speed Shop there drinking a piece of Coca-Cola. But no, it's Iowa Stable Garage. So we're here working on the tailgate again. I'm going to add one singular main structure piece to the center. You guys just saw me do some finish welding on this. It's almost done, but whatever. Then after that structure piece, we can move on to the rest of the thing. So what I'm thinking about today is making our lock pieces, basically the part that locks the tailgate upright. I think that would be pretty slick. And then the outer bar piece that goes right here adds that round texture to it. And then we can kind of start working on piecing things in after that. So, without further ado, let's get right at it. Welcome to Iowa Stable Garage. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. I was gonna use these guys right here to plate this top, but you know, I was looking at it. I raised it up just a little bit more than I wanted to at the very beginning, but we're pretty much flush all the way through. It's kind of raised up because I gotta grind that down, but it's pretty much flush all the way through. I might as well just plate the inside and then we can decorate this side after. So that's what I'm gonna do, just heavy wall steel on this side. This part's cut right here, so I gotta kind of do like a little triangle just for, you know, looks. Not a big deal. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna come out to here basically, and then we can do the fancy plating and the stuff with the lower gauge steel, the 18 gauge on the other side. So let's get at it. So now we get into the thick of it. Now that we have a tailgate that, you know, sort of functions, it's not its finished product or anything. It's basically just a skeleton, some sheet steel welded in. But we have to add the locks here. Now, we're going to use the old-fashioned design of the lock. Basically, it's just an eyelet fastened to the truck bed, an eyelet fastened to the tailgate, and then a pin on chains that holds the gate, both sides. That's what we're going to do, but we're also going to make a provision on the plate that we bolt on this side for the chains for the tailgate to stay like this. That's also what's going to hold it on. So we got a little bit of work to do, but I got a pretty good idea on how we're going to go about it, so let me bring you guys in. I have this flat bar here from when we made the inside of the cab. I also have this old bed frame here from also when we made the inside of the cab. It's going to work out just fine. So the plan is we'll bolt this guy here, cut it, obviously, and then we'll weld this guy here. That adds our crease, and then we just simply drill this, do the exact same thing on the tailgate side, on the end, and then you slide your pin through. It doesn't really need a lot of strength side to side because it's only holding the gate. So that's why we're going with this basically 1/8-inch steel plate and this 1/8-inch steel plate holding it here. Now, because of the chain, we're going to have to strengthen it after, but I kind of think on going down into that second bolt here and those top ones, that will give us plenty of pulling strength on the side. I think that's going to work out just fine. So that's what we're going to go about it. I'm just going to cut this guy down to size, get him working on both sides, and then we can start to pin it through. Awesome. Alright, so you guys likely saw, I tried a couple iterations. First I tried flat bar, then I tried angle, and I'm basically trying to make the pinouts on this. I haven't locked down a design. I don't really want to build something and then just get rid of it. So we're actually going to stop the video here, and we'll catch up in the next part of this series on the tailgate. It's going to give me a little bit of time to brainstorm and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one really, really soon. All right, see ya.